Welcome to the next Agely tutorial video. In this video, we'll set up a role-gated community where we'll create 3 categories in our server: welcome, chat, and moderators. And then we'll set up permissions so that unverified users see only what they need. Verified users can't see the welcome category, and failed verifications go to an access denied channel. We'll also create a logs channel for Agely and our moderator team. To get started, first click on your server's name in the top left corner. Choose Create Category and name it Welcome. Then right-click the new welcome category, select Edit Category, then click Permissions. You'll see a list of roles. Let's start with the Everyone role, which appears by default. For the welcome category, we want new members who belong to the Everyone role by default to see these channels. So enable View Channel for Everyone. Next, take a moment to adjust any other permissions you'd like for them to have here, such as send messages or add reactions. Next, add the verified role. We do not want verified members returning to the welcome area, so disable view channels. This way, once they verify, they can't see the welcome channels anymore. Again, take a moment if you need to set or unset additional permissions, or if you do want the verified role to see the welcome channel, you can take care of that as well. For the reject role, also disable view channel here. We'll give them access to a specific channel called access denied separately. Add your moderator role. Enable or disable view channel depending on your preference. Moderators often can see all channels, but it's up to you. Take a moment to set any necessary moderator permissions. Finally, add the Agely bot role. Make sure it has view channel enabled and additional permissions like send messages, manage messages, embed links, attach files, manage webhooks, and manage thread. Now that we have our category permissions set up, save your changes, and then we'll create some channels. Within the welcome category, click the plus icon to create 2 text channels: Start Here and Rules. These channels will inherit the category's permissions. Verify that everything's synced correctly by editing each channel's permissions if needed. Then take a moment to confirm your roles match your intended access. Next, create a channel called Access Denied in the welcome category. It will inherit the category settings by default, which currently deny access for both verified and reject roles. But we want the reject role to see this channel. Right-click the Access Denied channel, Edit Channel, then Permissions. Find the reject role and enable View Channel. Now they have access, even though the category is off limits to them. For the @Everyone and verified roles, we need to disable the View Channel permission. Take a moment to set any other permissions, like whether the reject role members can send messages or only read them. Now we'll create a chat category. Return to your server name, choose Create Category, and name it Chat. Right-click the chat category, select Edit Category, then Permissions. We do not want unverified members to see these channels, so we'll disable View Channel for the Everyone role. Feel free to adjust other permissions as needed. We will enable View Channel for the verified role, so verified users can see and participate in chat. Take a moment if you want to allow them to send messages, embed links, attach files, or any other additional permissions. Next, we'll add the reject role. We'll disable View Channel for the reject role so they can't access the chat channels. Again, adjust other permissions as you see fit. Next, add your moderators and bots. Make sure that they have permission to view the channel and any other necessary permissions. Next, we'll create a couple channels. The first one we'll call General, and the next one we will call Memes. By default, these will sync to the category permissions. Double check the permissions if needed. Finally, we'll create a moderators category. Again, go back to your server name, Click Category, and we'll call it Moderators. Right-click the new category, select Edit Category, and then go to Permissions. For the Everyone Verified and Reject roles, we don't want regular members or rejected users seeing moderator discussions, so disable View Channel for the Everyone Verified and Reject roles. Take a moment to adjust any other relevant permissions. Enable View Channel for the moderator role, allowing them to see and manage these channels. You can also grant them send message, manage messages, and any other privileges needed. Take a moment to configure this as well. Because Agely will post logs here, enable View Channel for the bot role. You also want to allow it to send messages, embed links, attach files, and manage messages so it can deliver logs and alerts. Take a moment to set those here. Inside the moderators category, create a channel called Logs. It inherits your category permissions by default. Only the moderator and the bot role can see and send messages here. Everyone verified and reject cannot view it, which is perfect for private logs. By following these steps, you've created a structured server with 3 categories. Welcome. Everyone can see start hearing rules, but not verified. Rejected users only see access denied. Chat. Verified users plus moderators in the bot can see these channels. Everyone and reject are denied. Moderators. Only moderators and the bot can see these channels, keeping logs and staff discussions private. Take a moment to test each role's perspective. That's it for this tutorial. With these changes and permissions in place, your server is ready for Agely's age verification flow. Keeping unverified members in the welcome area, verified members in chat, and logging everything in your moderator category. Thanks for watching and see you next time.